guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to make a delicious tomato dosa made out of a super awesome tomato chutney. It's very easy to make and super delicious. You just need some dosa batter, this delicious tomato chutney, and you're ready for an amazing dinner. This chutney is super good. And it is so good, it's going to make your mouth water and you'll feel like you want to eat it so bad. And it is also very spicy and very delicious and very healthy since it's made out of tomatoes. So to start off, you're going to need 2 teaspoons of oil in a big pan, 10 red chilies. That's what makes it super spicy. But don't worry, it won't be too spicy. It will be delicious. So don't worry about the chilies, just break them up and turn them into pieces and then fry them on the pan. And it's going to be a little spicy for your chutney, okay, a lot, but it's going to make the chutney double amazing. Now you're going to add 6 tomatoes. Make sure to cut them so that you can actually roast the tomatoes too and get a delicious flavor. Now you're going to need 6 of them, so try and make sure you have a big pan, because if you don't, you're going to need to squeeze those tomatoes in. And you're going to close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Then, after 5 minutes, you're going to take off the lid and you're going to flip the tomatoes. Like turn them upside down, and you'll see the back of them. So this is to make sure that they can get fried on both ends. Because frying them only on one side makes them half delicious. So fry them on both and you'll get a super fried, yummy chutney. You're going to close the lid again and cook them for 10 minutes this time. Now you're going to cook it without the lid until everything gets a smooth texture. So it's going to be like really smooth and all those tomatoes are going to break up. But this time there'll be a lot of fog. So it might be hard for you to see, but that's the chutney's process, right? So you're just going to let it mix and boil, but you're going to do it without the lid. And you're going to keep mixing it every once in a while to make sure the chutney stays delicious. Now that after it's perfectly cooked, you're going to let it cool down. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds. You're going to add some salt, as much as you need or want. And you're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Then you're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then you're going to take it into a mixie jar and make it into a fine chutney. Now you're going to mix it a little bit before you put it in, but the mixie jar is going to do most of the mixing for you. So there is your delicious chutney. Super good. Yum. Super good, hot, spicy, and super delicious. You're just going to spread some dosa batter into a hot pan, and it's like a plain dosa that's very crunchy, but not very awesome. But then you're going to add the awesome part, the delicious tomato chutney. You can add 1 teaspoon, or if you like it to be really spicy, you can add some more. Or if you don't like a lot of spiciness, add a little less. Just make sure you add some of it because it is delicious. Next, you're going to add some oil and roast it. Do the normal dosa process. And then your dosa is ready. Your delicious tomato dosa. So you don't need to put a side of chutney or anything. It's just into your dosa. Just take a bite and express that delicious flavor. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, everyone.